I will discuss that what a healthcare worker should do when he or she is posted in COVID-19 ward duty. First of all, every healthcare worker should be properly trained of infection and prevention practices, and moreover, whether the healthcare worker is doctor, nurse, technician, paramedic, cook, laundry worker, cleaner, or any other person, they should know the respective work of their field. Because once posting is there, as per government protocol, a healthcare worker is posted for 14 days continuously, whether it is in isolation ward, whether it is in triage ward, or whether it is in ventilatory unit. During those 14 days, the healthcare worker need to live separately from their family. They are provided a space by designated hospital. So now they have to move between their residing place within the hospital and their duty place. They are not supposed to mix up with their family members or with friends, or they are not supposed to go outside of the campus or to the canteen or to the marketplace. After their training is over, the healthcare worker are posted and they should know their shift. Before going to shift, every healthcare worker should have proper water intake and should use washroom, because this duty is for about 8 hours a day, and during this 8 hours he or she may not need drinking water or use of washroom. In the wards, every healthcare worker is expected to behave with patients properly, compassionately, should take care of patient about their medicine, their food, their all other requirements. And moreover, every healthcare worker is supposed to take care of himself or herself. He or she should know that how he or she can protect himself from COVID infection. Healthcare worker should not touch unnecessarily other things like curtain, railings, handle, switch, because they may contract infection. It is duty of all the healthcare workers, especially who are posted in those wards, that they should know how to clean surface of the ward. Metallic surfaces are to be cleaned with 70% isopropyl alcohol or H2O2 wipe. Non-metallic surfaces are to be cleaned, the floor and walls, by 1% sodium hypochlorite solution 2 or 3 times a day. Clothes of patient are to be properly kept in a polythene bag and kept separately for the laundry. The biomedical waste generated out of patient's care should be disposed properly. There should be proper backup. They should ensure, as far as the electricity and the oxygen supply is concerned, they should be well aware of all equipments. After completion of their duty, all the healthcare workers are supposed to go to their designated place, and there they should remain with 3-layer mask until they take bath. They should not take anything like tea, coffee or food till they take bath and wear different clothes or their own clothes. They are supposed to take care of themselves. They are supposed to clean their washroom properly, clean their clothes properly, and be happy and keep their mental as well as physical health properly. One thing more, while you are performing your duty, you should take good care of your PPE kit. It should not be torn. If suppose it is damaged while you are discharging your duty, then immediately you should change it. Now suppose during duty you need to go to washroom. What should you do? You will go use washroom after proper doffing and then come and wear new PPE kit and perform your duty.